In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to a custom shape and outline in Canva. By the end, you'll turn a regular photo into a clean cutout with either a soft glow or a crisp outline, perfect for thumbnails, stickers, and social posts. First, open a template in Canva. You can start with any size that fits your project. A social post, presentation slide, or a blank canvas all work the same for this workflow. With your canvas ready, head to the Uploads panel. Upload the photo you want to use, then drag it onto the canvas so it's selected and ready to edit. Next, remove the background. With the image selected, open the Edit Image panel and choose BG Remover. Let it process for a moment. This isolates your subject and gives you a clean base for the custom shape. If the edges need a little cleanup, use the Erase or Restore brushes in the BG Remover tool to refine the cutout so it looks smooth and intentional. Now we'll convert the subject into a solid, uniform shape. In the Edit Image panel, find the duotone effect. Open it, choose the custom option, and change both the highlights and shadows to pure white. Setting both to white flattens the tones and turns your subject into a single color silhouette. Apply the changes and you'll see a bold, high-contrast shape that's perfect for outlining. To add the outline effect, open Edit Image again and scroll to Shadows. You have two great options here. For a softer glowing edge, select Glow. Open its settings and increase the size slider to push the glow outward from your shape. Then adjust the blur to control how soft or diffuse the glow appears. A larger blur gives a dreamy halo. A smaller blur looks more defined while staying soft. If you prefer a hard, sticker-style edge, choose Outline instead. Adjust the size to set the thickness of the border. Then change the outline color to match your brand or your background for maximum contrast. Dark outlines pop on light backgrounds, and bright outlines look great on dark or textured designs. Once the effect looks right, resize the image on your canvas to fit your layout. Drag from a corner to scale it up or down while keeping the proportions natural. Position it where it balances your composition, and you're done. That's the full process. Open a template, upload your image, remove the background, turn it into a white silhouette with duotone. Add either a glow or a clean outline in shadows, fine-tune the settings and resize to fit your design.